Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about what are the best strategies for making money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. So, if you are doing affiliate marketing and you want to make money with Instagram, then this episode is for you. But before telling you this, I just want to say that as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secret. And in that book, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you what are the best strategies for making money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. So here, very first thing that you have to do when you are going with Instagram affiliate marketing, then first you have to optimize your Instagram profile. So as in my case, you can see that I have optimized my Instagram profile. So first you have to optimize your Instagram profile. So first you have to come up with your username that is somewhere related to your niche. So as in my case, it is marketing with Pankaj Singh. By the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then please go and follow me on Instagram. My handle is @marketing with Pankaj Singh. Now, next thing that you have to do, you have to, in your bio, you have to come up with keywords like affiliate marketing, side hustle, and make money online. So that way you are giving kind of indication whosoever lands on your profile that yes, this is what I want to do. I want to do affiliate marketing. I want to do side hustle, or I want to make money online. So somewhere you are giving impression to the visitors that yes, you are into these three fields, and where somebody who is looking for how to start side hustle or how to do affiliate marketing or how to make money online, then when they lands on your profile, they will say that yes, this is what I'm looking for and this is what I want. This person is someone who is going to solve my problem related to affiliate marketing or side hustle or make money online thing, right? So you have to optimize considering these things. Now next, in your bio section, like as I have made over 20k doing affiliate marketing, so if you have got results, then yes, you can come up with something similar to that, made over $5,000 or $10,000, whatever, right? Whatever results that you have got, you can come up with something similar to that. Or if you haven't made any penny or any commission, any money, then simply you can say that like whatever promise that you are giving in the market through your product, through your affiliate product, mean to say like the product that you are promoting, affiliate product that you are promoting. So you have to go through that product and you have to come up with that what specific results that your product is giving. So let's assume you are promoting the affiliate product where people will get to know that how to make $10,000 per month, or how to make their first 10k doing affiliate marketing. So you can come up with something like learn how to make 10k within 90 days, something like this. Then you can say DM me to start to make 10k. So it's up to you, right? So you can come up with something like this. Or if you have link, your affiliate link, so you can come up with your affiliate link in this section, in website section. You can put your link here, affiliate link. And here, one thing I would say, please don't put your long looking and ugly looking affiliate link. You can put your sales funnel link through which you are collecting emails, and then when someone puts their name and email address, then on the next page you are offering your affiliate offer. Next page, that is your thank you page or bridge page, right? Or if you are not coming with your sales funnel, then in that case, grab your affiliate link and then go to bit.ly and there you can make your long looking affiliate link short using Bitly. So that you can do, and that Bitly link you can put in your bio section. So this is how you optimize your Instagram profile. So these are the things that you have to do first, right? And then yes, in the highlight section, if you have got any results, you can put your results. And if you have got any testimonials, then yes, you can put your testimonials in the highlight section, right? So that you can do. And then what you have to do, simply start creating 5 to 7 seconds video or 5 to 7 seconds reels. As in my case, you can see that. So these are my reels. You can see that I create. And then what you have to do, simply let's assume you create a reel, right? And then after creating your reel 5 to 7 seconds, you can see that this is my one of the reel. Then in your bio section, in your description section, yeah, you can see that. Start teaching the things that you learn on daily basis. So as in my case, you can see that this is my one of the reel, and here I'm teaching 4 steps to make money online. So you can see that first step, second, third, fourth, and then at the end what I'm doing, I'm saying if you want to learn how, comment learn for free training. So here, whosoever comment learn, then what I will do, I will send him or her the link of the training through which I am teaching, or you can say I'm making people understand that how to do affiliate marketing or how to make money online. So first I will send that video, and when they go through the training, and then I will approach them, hey, have you watched the training, free training? Then if they say yes, then I can approach them, hey, if you want to learn more, then here is my affiliate offer. If they want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, right? So here overall idea is that why I'm offering free training. First, I want let people know me, like me, and trust me. I want to build that trust first. As you know that nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and have trust on you. So when you provide something for free, people will start knowing you, they will start liking you, and they will start having trust on you. So this is my first, you can say, first purpose, to give something for free. And later on, I can have conversation with them, and I will know them through the conversation, what they do, and what exactly they are looking for, what are their goals, where they are at right now, and where they want to go, what is their income goal. So if I think that yes, I can solve their problem, then yes, I can offer them my affiliate offer, or you can say my affiliate product. And if they think that yes, my offer or my product gonna help them to achieve their income goal, they will go and buy through me, right? So this is one of the strategy that you can apply in your affiliate marketing business, especially when you are doing Instagram affiliate marketing. So that you can do, simply start creating reels, 5 to 7 second videos, and start posting on your Instagram profile, right? And if you are thinking what kind of reels to create, then yes, you can come up with any teachings, any tips, tricks that you learn on daily basis. So start teaching through your reels, or you can come up with something like this. You can see that, as in my case, 3 companies that will pay to it. So let me show you. Yeah. So here I'm teaching 3 companies. So just see restaurant.com, grubhub.com, and Postmates. And then finally what I'm saying, read the caption. So if they come and read my caption, and here what I'm doing, comment masterclass. So whosoever comment in my, you can say under my reel, what I will do, I will approach to that very person, and I will, you can say, give access to watch that free training. And after watching that training, I will approach to that guy or girl, and I will start having conversation with that boy or girl. And if I think that yes, he needs more help related to affiliate marketing, then yes, I can offer my product to him or her, right? So that's how we do Instagram affiliate marketing. And this is one of the strategy that I apply in my Instagram affiliate marketing. If you want, yes, you can go with that. You can try it out. And yes, I will do my best to teach you another strategy that will be related to Instagram stories. So that I will teach you in our next episode, right? So that's it for today. And now you know how to make money with Instagram affiliate marketing. And now you know my, you can say, one of the strategy for making money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. So if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.